All right, today we're going to do a shifter adjustment on a 1200 Sportster. This probably could apply to many bikes. When you put your foot in here, this is a little uncomfortable. I like to raise it a few degrees. By doing that, I got to remove this shifter arm. Sometimes these could be a bear. I have found with a 1/4 inch Allen, remove. I like to take a chisel, as you see. It's a little, and that will spread that just a little bit. And still, and there you go. I put a little lubricant last night, but these could be a bear, and you don't want to scratch everything up. You really don't want to do that. Now with that, take a 1/2 inch, loosen it up. I have to loosen this one too. What you want to do is just bring it out like 1/2 inch. There we go. Let's get some adjustment on it. We got some adjustment on this side. And that will help you out. Now you put that back to here. Now with this being hand, I would want to go and you see it's pretty easy. You'll see I have a reference mark right there and right here, so I could always go back to where I started. That's beautiful. Enough for your boot and everything to work out real nice. You'll notice if you don't take this Allen, 1/4 inch Allen bolt out, this will not move. Now with your 1/2 inch wrench, tighten these up. And with that, that was no problem. As you see, we have threads here and we got threads there. We used about half of our adjustment here. We moved this 1 notch. I didn't want this to be too favored forward. I just wanted a nice center, so I know when you're shifting, everything is going to work out well. Any questions, just ask. You'll find that it's comfortable to have your foot right there and you can just click up. And with that, have a great day. Any questions, just ask. Thank you.